Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we're going to learn some very useful Hebrew adjectives and how to use them in real sentences. Adjectives are the words that let you describe things, like saying a big house, a beautiful city, or an interesting book. But Hebrew adjectives have an important rule. They need to match the noun they describe. That means we need to learn both the masculine and the feminine forms. As we go through each adjective, I'll also give you example sentences so you can learn even more Hebrew vocabulary at the same time. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. Clean, masculine. נקי, נקי, נקי. To say, the room is clean because I cleaned it this morning. Say, החדר נקי כי ניקיתי אותו הבוקר. החדר, the room, נקי, clean, singular male, כי, because, ניקיתי, I cleaned, אותו, him, הבוקר, this morning. Clean, feminine. נקייה, נקייה, נקייה. To say, the floor is clean after we washed it. Say, הרצפה נקייה אחרי ששטפנו אותה. הרצפה, the floor, נקייה, clean, singular female, אחרי, after, ששטפנו, that we washed, אותה, her. Dirty, masculine. מלוכלך, מלוכלך, מלוכלך. To say, the vehicle is dirty because we drove in the mud. Say, הרכב מלוכלך כי נסענו בבוץ. הרכב, the vehicle, מלוכלך, dirty, singular male, כי, because, נסענו, we drove, בבוץ, in the mud. Dirty, feminine. מלוכלכת, מלוכלכת, מלוכלכת. To say, the shirt is dirty because sauce fell on it. Say, החולצה מלוכלכת כי נפל עליה רוטב. החולצה, the shirt, מלוכלכת, dirty, singular female, כי, because, נפל, fell, singular male, עליה, on her, רוטב, sauce. Healthy, masculine. בריא, בריא, בריא. To say, he is healthy because he exercises every day. Say, הוא בריא כי הוא מתעמל כל יום. הוא, he, בריא, healthy, singular male, כי, because, הוא, he, מתעמל, exercises, singular male, כל, every, יום, day. Healthy, feminine. בריאה, בריאה, בריאה. To say, this dish is very healthy. Say, המנה הזאת בריאה מאוד. המנה, the dish, הזאת, this, singular female, בריאה, healthy, singular female, מאוד, very. Rich, masculine. עשיר, עשיר, עשיר. To say our neighbor is very rich, say השכן שלנו עשיר מאוד. השכן, the male neighbor, שלנו, of ours, עשיר, rich, singular male, מאוד, very. Rich, feminine. עשירה, עשירה, עשירה. To say their family is rich and lives in a big house, say המשפחה שלהם עשירה וגרה בבית גדול. המשפחה, the family, שלהם, of theirs, עשירה, rich, singular female, וגרה, and lives, singular female, בבית, in a house, גדול, big, singular male. Poor, masculine. אני, אני, אני. To say the student is poor because he has no time to work, say הסטודנט עני כי אין לו זמן לעבוד. הסטודנט, the male student, עני, poor, singular male, כי, because, אין, there isn't, לא, to him, זמן, time, לעבוד, to work. Poor, feminine. ענייה, ענייה, ענייה. To say the city is poor because there are not enough jobs in it, say העיר ענייה כי אין בה מספיק עבודות. העיר, the city, ענייה, poor, singular female, כי, because, אין, there aren't, בה, in her, מספיק, enough, עבודות, jobs. Smart, masculine. חכם, חכם, חכם. To say the student is smart and gets high grades, say התלמיד חכם ומקבל ציונים גבוהים. התלמיד, the male student, חכם, smart, singular male, ומקבל, and gets, singular male, ציונים, grades, גבוהים, high, plural males. Smart, feminine. חכמה, חכמה, חכמה. To say the teacher is smart and explains everything in a clear manner, say המורה חכמה ומסבירה הכל באופן ברור. המורה, the female teacher, חכמה, smart, singular female, ומסבירה, and explains, singular female, הכל, everything, באופן, in a manner, ברור, clear, singular male. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.